Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox avatar not loading. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for roblox.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, if your avatar is not loading up, that may be because of a server error on Roblox. So you just need to be patient and wait for it to resolve on its own. If the error is not from the server side, then there are some possible solutions you can follow to solve the problem. First, click on the three dots icon at the top right corner and a drop-down menu will open up. Here, click on the settings icon and a new window will load up. Inside it, get to the search bar at the top and search for cookies. In the results, open the feature that says delete browsing data and a new pop-up will appear. Simply select the all-time preset and check mark the last two boxes. After that, click on the delete data button and you're good to go. Note that this method will log you out of Roblox, so make sure you remember your login credentials. For the second method, close the settings tab and disable any unnecessary extensions. You can just click on the three dots icon and then select remove from Chrome. You can also click on the manage extensions button and then disable or delete the ones you don't use. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox avatar not loading. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.